Hi there, I'm Darren from Watercolor Mentor, and in this class I'm going to show you how to paint 8 different boat landscapes in watercolor. One of the things that I struggled with as a beginner was learning how to loosen up my brushstrokes while still preserving a sense of realism. This class will help you loosen up as well as go through some essential wet-on-wet watercolor techniques when painting boats, water, reflections and surrounding objects. This class is for beginners to intermediate learners. You're going to need some watercolor paper, watercolor paints consisting of blue, yellow, red and green, a 3/4 inch and number 6 flat brush, as well as a number 4 round brush. I'm really looking forward to sharing my knowledge with you and getting started, so enroll in this class and you'll be producing some simple and beautiful paintings in no time.